Hey guys, welcome back to Moyong, the cooking channel that's not so useless. This video is part 3 of the barbecue meat mini-series, and we'll be covering a dish that everyone would love to get their hands dirty for. And I'm talking about honey and ginger chicken wings. This recipe is great served hot at the dinner table or even cold at a picnic. So, let's look at the ingredients. Chicken wings, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chicken powder, 5-spice powder, salt, sugar, honey, and lastly, ginger. Now, the quantities. This recipe calls for 1 kilogram of chicken wings, 35 grams of sugar, 15 grams of salt, 16 grams of light soy sauce, 40 grams of honey, a quarter teaspoon of 5-spice powder, a quarter tablespoon of chicken powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of dark soy sauce for some color, and 1 teaspoon of finely minced or grated ginger. Let's start off by prepping the chicken wings. We want to extract the blood from the chicken bones to prevent any red pigmenting of the chicken meat after we've cooked it. To do so, we will be using a salt brine. Submerge the wings in cold water, and then add salt. About a quarter of a teaspoon of salt will do. Give this a good mix, and then let the wings rest in the brine for about 15 to 20 minutes. When you get back, the water should start to look a little murky, and the blood red in the bones is less intense. Drain the brine water, give the wings a good wash, and let them dry in the fridge for a few hours. After a few hours, bring them out of the fridge and begin working on the marinade. In a big bowl, mix all the ingredients together except for the chicken wings. Once you have given the marinade a good mix, add the chicken wings and coat them with the marinade. We are aiming to melt the salts and sugars to the best of our ability. Once the salts and sugars are melted, your chicken wings should look something like this. I decided to transfer the wings to a small container to allow the marinade to flavour the wings better. If you're doing this too, be sure not to waste any of that marinade. Give the wings one more mix and then wrap them up and put them in the fridge overnight. When you are ready to cook the wings, bring them out 30 minutes before cooking. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Give the wings one last mix before putting them into your oven. We will be cooking the wings for about 30 minutes, so plop them in, then go do something else in the meantime. Or just stop and watch them cook. At the 25-minute mark, pay close attention to the wings to avoid any burning. Once the 30 minutes are up, your wings are done. Go ahead and plate them up and get your hands dirty. But maybe let them cool down a little, cause they're real hot right now. So guys, that was my family's recipe for honey and ginger chicken wings. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you ever get the chance to try this recipe out, be sure to comment below and let me know how it went. See ya.